Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Detailing Chad, where we mainly focus on over-the-counter products. By that, what I mean is something you just drive down to the store and get. Something you don't have to order, something you can find at your local hardware store, parts store, Walmart, them type of places. So that being said, in this video we are going to be installing some Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution ceramic spray coating. We've got a couple videos of this against Griots. They're 3-in-1 spray, and they both go on pretty similar, actually pretty much identically. So if you guys would, you can go back and watch some videos and see which one works out better. But in my last video, you've seen me test out the polisher. You've seen me do a deep clean on a 96 Trans Am. So that is what we are going to be installing this on. We've polished it. It's been clay barred. We've done everything you could possibly think of to get to this step. So in this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to install this a couple different ways. The way they say and the way I like to do it, it works out about the same. So if you guys would, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell if you want to be notified on more videos. And that being said, let's get into the video. So first off, we're going to go around the car and we're going to wipe it down with some wax and tar remover. This you can get at pretty much any of your parts stores, usually in the auto body section. I think I bought it at AutoZone, but you can get it at O'Reilly, Advance Auto, probably just about any parts store, honestly. It works really good. It's not an actual panel prep. It is a wax and tar remover for use before and after sanding. Always, always, always test your products somewhere on the car that is not going to be noticeable. Make sure it's not going to hurt it. I've never had a problem with it, but not saying that it can't pull something off your car that you don't want it to. So yeah, we're just going to go around, wipe the car down. Always shake your products. This stuff you just wipe on and wipe off. And basically, anything that is left over from polishing, any residues, this will take it off. Even if you don't polish your car, this is a good product to use to get it nice and clean. And you just wipe it on. Whoops, that'll be all right. You'll see it kind of foam up. You just want to wet it down. That was probably a little bit too much. So we'll go a little farther than normal. And take a dry one. Now these are just your throwaway microfibers. Anything will work. You just want to make sure it's nice and dry. Make sure you read your directions. The towel gets too saturated, get you a new towel. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now we'll go around, we'll get the whole car wiped down. And then we'll come back and we'll put the coating on. Okay, so after you used your favorite panel prep, whether it's a wax and tar remover, whether it's a panel prep you bought somewhere, whatever it is, Always shake your products. Now, the hybrid solutions, I'm sure you guys see me here. It literally says to washing dry car, shake well for best results. Do not over apply high active formula. Use 2 sprays per panel. Spread and wipe with a clean folded microfiber cloth. Use a separate microfiber cloth to remove. Fold cloth as needed. For best result, for best performance, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants. Clay or polish finish first if needed. We have done both. Says it can be used on wheels, exterior glass, and plastics. Do not use on convertible tops. You can also put a second layer on after 24 hours for up to 12 months of protection. And this stuff is really simple. You just take it. It says use 2 sprays per panel. We're just going to go with 1 right here so you guys can see in the video. And you just spray it on. Hope you guys can see that. See where it's nice and wet. And yes, I know this paint ain't perfect, but we did what we could with it. You just take your towel, just spread it around. You're going to feel it be a little grabby at first. Rub it in, flip it over, or you use a different towel and buff it off. Pretty simple. And while you're buffing, you're going to feel it get really slick. We'll come around here. Now, another way I like to do it is I'll give me an applicator pad, whatever you like to use. And you can either spray it on the car and rub it in with this. Take your towel, buff it off. Or you take your applicator pad, saturate your pad. That's the way I normally prefer to do it. Get nice and saturated. Come over here to the front of the car. And I'll buff it on. Now I'll take my towel and I'll buff it off. Always look for streaks, high spots. The turtle wax is really good about not leaving streaks, but if you ever see one, you just take your saturated towel, hit it again, and it'll wipe right off. And you'll know if you've missed a spot because it's going to be a lot stiffer. But that's my favorite way to put it on. It's as simple as that. And you can use it on your glass. Still got some on my pad. See guys down back here. Make sure you cover all your glass. Towel. Same ordeal. Just want to make sure your glass is nice and clean. And like that. Super simple. Super, super simple. Now if my pad's still saturated, I won't spray a lot more on it, especially on little spots. Like I can see that it is still wet, going on there wet, and that's what you want. Let's take your dry towel, buff it off. Super, super simple. And honestly, you're going to get a couple months out of this, no matter how you do it. So tell me, if you guys use this stuff, what's your thoughts on it? I don't know if I like this or the Griot's better. I'll have another update video coming out on those two against each other. Nice and slick. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's really simple to give your car. I'll have this car done in 30 minutes, if that, and that's including wiping it down with wax tar remover. You can get away with just washing the car, take some wax tar remover, wipe it down because you want to get all the old wax and everything off. You're going to get better results if you clay it, and then you're going to get even better results if you clay it and polish it. So it's really up to you on how many steps you want to take before you put it on, but it doesn't take very long to put it on. I mean, 30 minutes. If you just put it on after you wash the car, I got 2 months out of it with no type of prep work other than just washing the car. So if you want to just go every couple months and spray it on there and wipe it off, it's pretty simple. So that being said, I appreciate it, and I hope you guys are liking and subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments what you guys think. If you've used it, if you haven't used it, if you're willing to try it. I mean, you're getting, what did I pay for it? $15, $15, $17, and you'll get, I could use it on one car, I don't know, probably almost 2 years before you ran out of the product. It's going to go bad before you use all of it on one car, put it that way. You could put it on multiple cars. You probably get, this is probably the 5th car I've gotten out of this bottle. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.